I've still been cubing. I've actually adjusted my 3x3 so it's a lot looser now. And I always thought I was a type of person who liked like more stable cubes with like stronger magnets. But actually the weaker magnets and weaker spring adjustment on the MGC Elite is working really well for me. Especially my 3x3 start improving. Anyway, let's go ahead and crack open this package. It's another MGC big cube. Oh god. Ooh, I see something. Okay, the first thing we have here is SpeedCubeShop's Cosmic Lube. This is the Lunar. And then I also ordered 10cc of Martian. Lunar is even faster than Martian is, but Martian is the most popular one. And I feel like for Lunar, you want to put Lunar in like a GAN puzzle or, you know, a puzzle that's really slow. I want to test this out on my dad's cube, which actually has no lube in it whatsoever. If it's okay with him, I would like to see how much of a difference lube will make on this cube. It doesn't look like a lot, but cubes don't need a lot of lube. So that actually will last like a couple of years. They're like $9 each, so I think for all SpeedCubers, lube is definitely something that you should have. Oh my god, what am I doing? I should just get scissors. Okay guys, I came to my senses and I got scissors. There we go. Is the YJ MGC 5x5 puzzle. I don't actually have a 5x5. The moment I played with the YJ MGC 4x4, I fell in love. I thought the turning was extremely good. The 4x4 has actually gotten really fast. Like really fast. So the outer layer is extremely fast to turn. I'm still deciding if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but this is definitely a really good cube. This is only $2 more than the 4x4. So they're really great prices. YJ does fantastic puzzles for a fantastic price in my opinion. That's why I love YJ so much. Anyway, let's go ahead and just crack right into this. The packaging is also on point, guys. I love YJ packaging. YJ has some budget puzzles that maybe just have basic packaging, but the higher end ones like these, which aren't even that expensive, like $20, the packaging is just on point, guys. So this packaging is actually very similar to the 4x4. Okay, finally got it off. There we go. Classic box. I think the 4x4 box had triangle designs instead of square designs, but that is no matter. Let's go ahead and open the Apple cube. Okay, no, it's not an Apple cube, but these boxes, it's like Apple. You know, it's literally like Apple, like simplistic white, right? GAN does that very well. Anyway, here is the 5x5. Look at that, guys. Looks absolutely fantastic. We got another accessories box with this guy who's really rad. Let's go and take a look what's inside. I believe it's just a screwdriver. Okay, so we got a blue screwdriver, actually. In the reviews of this puzzle, I think they were yellow, so I think they randomized the colors, either yellow, blue, or red. I'm honestly not quite sure, but leave a comment if you know what's going on with the color screwdrivers. There is a 5x5 solve guide, which I don't think anyone looks at. You got some extra springs and washers. I believe they're just replacements. I'm not sure if you can actually, they're actually different springs than those, so I'm not sure if you can adjust the puzzle with these. But yeah, and then you got some spare magnets as well. They only give us one type of magnet by the looks of it, so I'm curious to see if all the magnets in this cube are actually the same strength. Anyway, the packaging is very loose on this cube. Let's go ahead and just crack it open immediately. Always the most satisfying part of an unboxing, guys. I love doing that so much. Well, let's go ahead and put close up the accessories box. It's always nice they all come with a screwdriver and all that. Let's go ahead and close this. I'll put that on later, but let's look at this. Okay, so, ooh, there's actually, is that lube? No, it's not lube. Oh, it's just, oh, there's a tad bit of lube on this one piece right here. It's an interesting texture. I think it's similar texture to the MGC 4x4. It's not like greasy, it's not lubey. I don't know. But let's go into first turns. Oh my, yo! It's not as fast as the 4x4, but it is smoother. it is so smooth. Holy. I don't know how to do parodies on this thing. It's different from the 4x4, but oh my god. Yo, okay, so the tensions look like they're a little bit tighter, which I think it might be a little bit better. Yo, but it's so smooth. I'm not sure if it's just been in the sunlight, but it is, in my opinion, smoother than the 4x4. Yo, it feels so smooth. Okay, the magnets are not as strong, and by the looks of it, they are the same strength. I'm not sure how that applies with 5x5, but on 4x4, the inner layers were stronger than the outer layers, but oh my god. Okay, this is definitely gonna get me into 5x5. Let's pop off these center caps, which are tiny. It's so cute. But as you can see in the center, there's just a simple screw, so no advanced adjustment system, but I don't think any 5x5 has an advanced adjustment system yet. But that's definitely something that's coming. Oh my god, it is so smooth. Let me go ahead and let's go upstairs and get my 4x4. I want to compare some of the shades. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and just hop on the bed, I guess. Oh, my bed's very messy right now, oh god. Go back to 360. Okay. So we have the two puzzles here. And okay, yes, so this is a little bit less updated of a shade. As you can take a look right now. Let's actually, oh, you can make the advanced checkerboard thing on this puzzle. Here's a normal checkerboard, right? Turn the middle one as well. Yo, look at this checkerboard. Look at that. On 4x4 you can just do the normal checkerboard like this. Let's take a look at the shades. Okay, so yellow and white are actually very similar on both puzzles. The blue and green, I'm not exactly sure if you can tell. I should probably turn it back. It's easier to see the shades like this. Hold on, okay. Let me show you guys the green, because that is the main difference, I believe. So, the green, yeah. Take a look at the green, guys. You'll see that the 4x4 is actually slightly darker, and this is like, this green on the 4x4 right here is what YJ is sort of moving towards, and I do like the shades a little bit better on this one, but honestly, you know, it's not too different, so it won't impact things that much. The blues are the complete same. The oranges, okay, so orange is actually the same case. If you take a look, this orange is slightly more vibrant than this one, which honestly, it's just slightly, it doesn't really impact things too much. And then red is about the same as well. Now, weight-wise, this does feel heavier for sure. I mean, it should feel heavier, but that's one of the things I did notice is this is quite a bit heavier. I'm not quite sure how much. I mean, it's not like it's crazy, like heavy, but you know, it's just, this cube is so smooth. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but look, hear this, right? Compared to this. This is just very fast. The inner layers on this one actually, as you can see, if you can hear that sort of like, it's more clacky, I guess you could say. That's not bad at all. Oh, what I do? Okay. It's not bad at all. I think this is still a really good puzzle for only $20, which basically competes with the budget 4x4s. So I definitely recommend this as well. But this one is just, it's very quiet, and it's just very smooth. I'm not quite sure why they didn't go with stronger magnets in the middle, but if that has anything to do with how smooth this puzzle feels, I applaud YJ for doing so. But this just feels very good. And I can see definitely why a lot of people really like this cube. Status update on this one actually, the more you play with it, the faster the layers turn. Like, look at this. Okay, so just as hard as I can with one turn, that's almost a 360-degree turn. That's a very fast. On a 4x4, it's usually not heard of. The middle layers is not as much. I think it can be U2 maybe. Yeah, just only a double layer, so that's 180-degree turn. The outer layer, that was almost a 360-degree turn. Let's try this one. Okay, so yeah, see, definitely not as fast and doesn't glide as well, but that doesn't mean it's a bad cube. It feels fantastic. Oh my god. So, honestly, very happy with this. I don't think this needs any lube after the beginning. I'm not sure if it's tight actually. It might be slightly tight. I feel like I like stable cubes a bit more. So I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna loosen this thing, but it's very, very smooth. Very, very smooth. This one's a lot more clacky. Honestly, they feel different, but YJ SpeedCube's just fantastic. This one's $22, this one's $20 US. Like, honestly, very, very cheap compared to some of the other MoU flagships and all that. I'm not gonna be adding lube to this one, but actually, I'm gonna go right now and film the next video, which is lubing my dad's cube, which has no lube in it whatsoever. So a completely dry cube versus 6 drops of Martian. What do you think will happen? Let's go check it out right now, but definitely recommend some YJ Big Cubes. These are fantastic.